once you have a surface created, you can then add and remove some of the surface members. So the next command on the surfaces tab is surface members. And in this case, you can see that when we made this initial surface, it actually triangulated all the way out here to these other, what I call bad CAD data, or other CAD data that doesn't really provide information to our project. But because it was on a layer, drawn on a layer that we selected when we did a select by layer command, it added all this data. So what we can do is we can remove this and then or add other data. So when you run that surface members command, the first thing you do is make sure you pick your surface. So you can select it from the list. If you don't know, you can just simply pick it from the drawing or the plan view. So you can see it picked up finished surface. And it's going to ask you to select the members to add or remove. So I can just do a simple window selection around this data that we know is no good and simply remove it. So when I remove it, you'll see that the surface gets rebuilt automatically because the surface property is set to auto rebuild. Now I can come in here and we can take a look at other data. So what we can see over in this area is, we have this building finished floor, and you can see the triangles are going through the building. So that building isn't part of our surface. So if we were to come in and select that object, so if I go ahead and select that finished floor building pad and it's elevated to the proper elevation, then we can click on add and it will add that, and now you can see the triangulation is going to that element or that object, in this case the finished floor. So basically the surface members is where you add and remove surface objects or surface members from your designated surface.